Okay, so now we are going to do my powders. I have been pretty cutthroat in all my declutters so far. I'm struggling. I've been talking so much because I've been filming all night. I really would like to get this down to like 2 loose powders and 2 to 3 real powders, and that's it. I know that's crazy considering how many I have, but this is so much. I don't need this much. So let's do this. First thing, I can get rid of this Bareminerals. It's not the right shade. These 2 I haven't even opened, so do I really need them? No, they can go. These 2 Givenchy ones are nice. Do I ever use them? No, they're gonna go. Peach Perfect I do like. Velvetizer's okay. See, that's how I feel. Like, all of these are just okay. So I feel like because of that, because I don't feel strongly one way or the other with any of these, they can all go. This, okay, well, this is one of my favorites. This is a repurchase, and I'm already about halfway through this one. My favorite powder foundation of all time, the IT Cosmetics one. Definitely keeping, so I've got my first thing to keep. Yay. Let's see. This Coverfx one I do like. This Lancome one's a little bit... Is this the one that's like actually my skin tone? Let me see. It's their Translucense powder. Yeah, it's a little dark for me. Oh, well, not really when you blend it. Whoa, it's got crazy coverage. Okay, holy crap. This stuff is so silky, and if you can get one that kind of matches your skin, so this is 100 Translucence, but I feel like it does have a little bit of a color. This is so nice. It actually covers some imperfections too, so I'm keeping this one. The NARS one, I've kept this crystal powder forever, and I never use it. It can go. The Stellar one can go. Coverfx, I'm thinking about. I'm kind of thinking it might be able to go. And frankly, I've had this quite a while. I think it's just time. One's empty. All right. Okay, let's do this. Wet n Wild one, I can go. Baremineral. I don't really reach for any of these. Like, I literally don't. And they're good. Like, the Stay Matte is really good. Don't reach for it. Never reach for these. This needs to go in the trash. This is so old. Where to begin? Peach Blur. This one actually I forgot that I liked and I forgot about. So I think I actually am going to keep that one and actually use it. What a concept. This, okay, here's where I'm struggling. Because I just recently put the dim light ambient lighting powder all over my face, and it actually darkened my skin, and it did not look good. So I'm going to finally pass this on. I really like it, but I think its formula is changing because I've had it for, quite a while, and this is 12 months. It's definitely older than that. So this is kind of my replacement for that. This is the Laura Mercier Candleglow powder in the shade number 1. So we're going to try that one in its place. This CoverGirl one I do like, but it's too dark for me. I've raved about it because I think the formula is great, but they just have a terrible shade range. I've got 2 of these powder foundations. I have this NYX one and this Ulta one. Honestly, these are good, but I still like this IT one better. Let me think about them, because I also have these Physicians Formula ones that I do really like. Well, an easy one to get rid of while I'm thinking about it is this Catrice one. I don't really like. This Essence Brighten Up one made my under eyes look so old. It's gotta go. Oh, it was comically bad. Okay, this Pop Beauty Setting one I wasn't really impressed with. That can go. This is a loose powder that I think is really nice. It's this Mustafa brand Silky Cotton Loose Powder. It's beautiful, like really beautiful. So I think it's expensive though, but I'm going to keep it. I think I'm going to get rid of my Illuminating Physicians Formula one in favor of this matte one from Physicians Formula. I think I like it better. And then I'm just going to pass these on. So this CoverGirl one, it's getting the creepy bumps on it that gross me out, so I think it's just time to go. It's a great powder, though. One of my favorite from the drugstore. So some of these I haven't even tried. I think the banana one from Milani I'm going to pass on, just shade-wise. I don't think it'll be a good fit. This Fit Me one I'm still trying out. I'm going to put on my vanity, because I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it or not, depending on how much I like it. This ByTerry Hyaluronic Powder. Hydra Powder, again, I'm still trying out, but I do really like it so far. This Laura Mercier powder is old. It's just time. It just is. I've had probably 2 or 3 of these over the years, but I've kind of noticed it's not quite smelling like itself, and it's been, what's the months on this? 12 months. I probably had this particular one a year and a half, so it's just time. This is new to me. I have, honestly, at the time I'm filming this, I haven't tried it out. Now, by the time you're seeing this, I might have tried it out because this is pre-recorded, but, so I'm going to keep this, and same with this Milani. I haven't even tried it, so I'm going to put them all on my vanity. And then this Guerlain one, I think I'm just going to pass on. It's pretty, but not pretty enough to keep. That's all I'm keeping. That's all I'm getting rid of. This is crazy. Like, I'm constantly amazed at how much just sits in my drawer I don't use. And again, some of these are ones I actually really love, but, you know, if I'm not using them, they're getting old, and then I have to get rid of them anyway. So for most of these, I'd rather get rid of them now while someone can enjoy them than later like this, where I feel like I should just toss it, you know, because it is older. So I'll sort through those. I'm pretty proud of that. And of course, there are those 3 that I'm keeping to try out, that I'm keeping on my vanity to decide if I want to keep them with these in my collection. But I'm feeling pretty good about that. So another successful declutter. If you like these, definitely check out my playlist I have. I have got lots of these where I get rid of just as much. And so I will link that below. Definitely subscribe to catch more, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.